everyone, this is Dr. Barbara Angel, and it is my pleasure to invite you for first and second part of Tune&Heal Cell Resonance Therapy training course. It's gonna be in Palm Desert, in beautiful wellness center, actually health and performance center, kinetics and Tune&Heal. Of course, the details you will find out on my website, Tune&Heal.com. What I want to tell you, my method, Tune&Heal Cell Resonance Therapy, came from Europe, and I teach classes 17 years. So look at that. It's just a little bit what I'm doing, and I can tell it's a little bit different than maybe you heard about tuning forks or a sound therapy. We have a really different techniques. In a couple of my books I wrote about music, about sound. I'm also a musician, so believe me, I know sound really good. I was working also in a recording studio, so I noticed sometimes people couldn't sing. They had a problem with throat, and I helped them. So I know that some techniques really work, and then I developed this method, and really good. It's every day, you know, taking more and more people, and my students right now, I can tell almost in each country in Europe and here in the United States. So I'm so happy they have their own amazing results. But anyways, look at that. This big 164 Hz tuning fork we're using for acupuncture points. And maybe you never heard about the 5 elements all one technique, when you actually have to use the philosophy and unblock all of the meridians at the same time. It's so powerful, and actually it can give you the power like almost 10 sessions of acupuncture. I don't want to say that acupuncture is something worse or something. No, it's amazing. It's amazing, and Chinese medicine, what I've been studied, it's my passion, and of course you can go and, you know, take a session. But if you like to work with the sound and vibration, we have special tuning forks. Of course, it's really good quality. I work with this manufacturer 15 years, actually 17 years, because it's since beginning. And if you can see, we have even the design, so you can put the finger to all the 64, so you're absolutely free to put on any spot on your body. You can actually also apply it for reflexology points on your feet. Anyways, this is just one of the techniques I'm teaching, and I think that you can really love it. Like, if you can see, the leg is also extended, is longer. Why? Because we need this to have free wrist. We don't want to make this wrist in any way, you know, we don't want to hurt each other, so ourselves or the client. Anyways, if you want to get certificate, this is very good start in California or in Chicago. I will be also with the training course in April, the last weekend of April. Everything is on the website in events, so it's the days are in California 3rd to 5th of April. I will be really glad that you can come. Just write an email to my academy or Tune&Heal in United States. It's info@Tune&Heal.com, or find on Facebook Tune&Heal, Dr. Barbara Angel. You can find it easy. So this is just a couple of techniques. You see this beautiful with the gold heights here, the added copper there. Why? Because it's for our beauty, for our hair, for skin. So it's a lot of different techniques for different problems. I don't know, you saw this kind of tuning forks, but they're special. We have collagen to increase the actually collagen in your body, and gold. We have also gold. We have special design for tuning forks and I'm really taking care about the quality. So this is not what you can buy on Amazon, or really, believe me, there's a big difference. I like to show my students, don't buy stuff like, you know, $10, because it's just a toy. So anyways, if you would like to know more, it's my book, it's Tune&Heal Cellular Resonance Therapy. You can also find it online, or just go to the website. That would be so nice to see you, and that's it. Bye bye. Have a nice day.